In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rows in Smartsheet. If you're managing tasks, tracking deadlines, or organizing a project, knowing how to add rows quickly and cleanly will keep your sheet accurate and your team aligned. I'll walk you through the essentials and share a few practical tips along the way. Start by opening Smartsheet in your browser. Once you're signed in, open the specific sheet where you want to add information. For the smoothest experience, switch to grid view so you can see your rows and columns in a clear, spreadsheet-style layout. This view makes it easy to spot where new rows should go and how they relate to what's already there. To add a single row, look for the plus button at the bottom of the sheet and click it. A new row appears immediately, ready for your data. Type in your task name or details, then fill in any key fields your team uses, like owner, start date, due date, or status. Keeping those fields consistent makes reporting and filtering much easier later on. If you're new to Smartsheet or need quick access, there's a link to the Smartsheet website at the very top of the description so you can jump right in. When you need to insert a row in the middle of existing data, right-click the row number where you want the new row to appear. Choose Insert Row Above or Insert Row Below, based on where you want it placed. This is perfect for maintaining order within a task group or phase of your project. Once the row is added, fill in the details just like before. If you're planning ahead or importing a batch of tasks, you can add multiple rows at once. Right-click any row number, select Insert Multiple Rows, and enter how many you need. Smartsheet will create them in a block so you can quickly populate all the fields you use, from task names to dates and assignments. For speed, try keyboard shortcuts. Press Alt+I on Windows or Option+I on a Mac to insert a row instantly. Then, use Tab to move across cells and enter data efficiently without constantly reaching for your mouse. As you add work, collaborate right from the sheet. Click Share to invite teammates and choose the right permission level, viewer, editor, or admin, so everyone has the access they need. Use comments in cells to discuss specific tasks and keep context attached to the work. Smartsheet autosaves as you go, so nothing gets lost. To track new entries, apply conditional formatting or set filters to highlight the latest rows or particular statuses. Adding rows in Smartsheet is simple, flexible, and built for teamwork. Thanks for watching.